come to seek your face, at your grace and your mercy. Come upon me, Lord. Oh Lord, I call upon your name. Let the rain of your mercy pour upon me, Lord. Oh Lord, mo wá síbi tẹ́, jẹ́ kí oore ọ̀fẹ́ àti àánú rẹ̀ kó bà lé mi lórí. Olúwa, mo ké pe orúkọ rẹ̀, jẹ́ kí òjò àánú rẹ̀ Olúwa kó rọ̀ lé mi lórí o. Bàbá. Lord, I call upon your name. Let the rain of your mercy come upon me, Lord. Oh, Lord, mo wá síbi tẹ́, jẹ́ kí oore ọ̀fẹ́ àti àánú rẹ̀ kó bà lé mi lórí. Abba.
If you love it and you know, if you love it and you want more of it,
subscribe.
If you love it and you want more of it,
Subscribe.
If you love it and you want more of all of our videos, if you want it on your
subscribe.
Anyways, just subscribe to our channel if you love what you've seen. We have more videos coming for you, so put on the notification button and like, subscribe, tell your friends about us, share it. We are on all platforms. Heeyarhnu, that boy slick, Bisimanuel, we got you covered. Plenty more work. So before you go, there's a video here, there's a video here, there's a video here, there's a video here, there's a video. Just please just click something. Watch the next one. We'll love you till the next time. Mwah!